Welcome to kurumicooks. You can find this recipe and more at my website kurumicooks.co.uk. Today I'm going to show you how to make tempura. Here are the ingredients you will need for 4 servings. 8 raw king prawns with the shells removed and deveined. 8 thin slices of butternut pumpkin. 8 thin slices of sweet potato. 4 slices of lotus root. 4 fresh shiitake with the stalks removed. 8 baby corns. 32 green beans. 4 thick slices of red bell pepper. And 4 thick slices of yellow bell pepper. Now moving on to the ingredients for the tempura batter. 90 grams of corn flour, 140 grams of self-raising flour, 1 egg, 200 ml of water. You will also need some oil for frying, some extra flour, and some kitchen paper. First, to make the batter, put the corn flour and flour in a bowl. Whisk the egg briefly, then add that to the bowl. Add the water and stir everything. The next step is to microwave the butternuts and the sweet potato for 2 minutes on a high setting to pre-cook them. Use cling film to seal the bowl. Fill a large pan about 1/3 full with vegetable oil. Heat the oil to 170 degrees C. Take a piece of vegetable and give it a good dip in the butter. Then put it into the oil. Repeat with another piece of vegetable. Avoid overcrowding the pan. 4 or 5 pieces cooking together is enough. Turn the vegetables over a couple of times. They should only take a couple of minutes to cook. When the butter is very lightly golden brown, the tempura is ready. Put the tempura on some kitchen paper. Remove any pieces of butter with a lifter. Put all the green beans into the batter. Take out 2 or 3 in a small bundle and deep fry them together. Now for the prawns. You need to make 3 or 4 small cuts on the inside of the prawn to prevent them from curling up too much when they are fried. Dip each prawn in the flour. This is to stop the prawn spitting when you fry it. Coat the prawn in the butter and fry it. As before, turn the prawns over in the pan for a good even color. These are done. The butter is pale golden brown. Here is a dish of delicious tempura. See my next video on how to make a tempura dipping sauce. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel here. See you again soon.